Thanks for watching. Leave a comment if you wish, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.
Alright, here we are out on the lake. We got meats and the Rubinator over there. Rubinator and the meat man. We got Jenna Catherine over there. The kayaker. Alright, we're gonna see if we can catch some fish. Did you? Yeah. Where's it at? I took it off. Oh. Right on. He's with Alino. What? No, he didn't want to. I caught one the minute I dropped down. Did you? I caught a bluegill sunfish, and I just saw one stuck. So they're in here as much as ever. Awesome. Denise, okay. I'm getting bait right now, baby. We'll catch him. Come on, Jack. Denise, Ruben, boys. I already caught one. Who are you? Apple. Hell yeah, that's awesome. What'd you catch? Oh, it must be a little guy, but I got another one. He's number 2. Oh, wait, hold on. Dimitri with the little bluegill. Yes. There's Jenna. There it is. Alright, it's time for me to catch one now. Alright. Awesome. Oh, he's getting put up. Got him. Got him. Right in the mouth. Right in the mouth. Nice little trout. Alright. Boom. Gonna bonk him and get back. Hi, baby Jay. What do you got there?
A fish.
What kind of fish is that?
A rainbow.
Is it a rainbow trout? Whoa, no, no, no. We're going to eat that. Don't do that. No. Don't step on it. What are you doing?
No, the shot.
We're going to eat it. That's all right. We'll rinse it off.
No,
No. Okay. Here comes Jenna Catherine coming in. Mitri and the Rubinator still out. Jenna Catherine coming in with the fish. There they are. Alino heading out in front. You got Jenna Catherine paddleboarding back. And then we got Dimitri and Ruben bringing up the rear on the tandem. There they are. Got it set up. Look at these kayak rigs. Alright guys, have fun.
Oh yeah.
Could I take a video?
Gonna come back with a probably 10 trout or something like that.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
Lino catching a fish. We got Jenna Catherine getting ready to go in for the assist to unhook. Looks like we got the water to ourselves this afternoon here, and Lino hooked up. Jenna's releasing the fish for him. She already caught a fish herself. Ruben and Dimitri in the tandem over there somewhere, they all each caught a fish already. They've been out fishing for maybe 20 minutes. Already hooking up. Great place to fish. Beautiful lake. Good job, guys! Baby Jay, the Pumpkin King. What's up, Baby Jay? Having fun?
Yeah.
Camping with your brothers?
I want to tag it too.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
There's Mama out there in the middle of the lake. And Alino.
You're in my way.
And then there's Dimitri. And Ruben.
Ow.
Right there. What's up, meats? What's up, Ruben? Yo. Everybody getting fish at the lake. Awesome. All right, so we're on a bridge above this cool little creek here, tiny little creek. This little creek feeds that tiny little lake. So this tiny little lake has all these natural native fish in it. It's pretty sweet. Rainbow trout, brook trout. And they also stock it with rainbows. But around the lily pads can also be pretty good bluegill and bass fishing. Alright, we're going to keep going around this trail here.
I go on your shoulders.
You want to go on Daddy's shoulders?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm going to put the camera down and put you on my shoulders. Okay, hold on a second, buddy. I'll put you on my shoulders. Alright, there's Mitri and Ruben. How you guys doing? Catching fish?
Right.
I'm the only one who hasn't caught a fish yet.
Well, you caught some last night.
I did.
Did you want me to go?
Bino's putting on a clinic for you guys, huh? Out fishing, y'all?
Could I have that?
Look at Jenna. You want to film?
Yeah.
He sees you.
With a nosy head.
Baby Jay sees you.
And a kayak with a nosy head.
Yeah.
Nosy head, you with a bucket of head.
Hey,
Hamburger, cheeseburger, Big Mac hamburger.
shh. Big Mac cheeseburger. Alright. Out on the lake. Alright, Meech, you gotta hook up so I can get it on film here. Oh, I see that rod. Get him.
Dad, this is like a car.
It looks like a car?
Yeah?
Oh yeah?
I don't think so.
You like playing on the big log?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Can you play with it with me?
Absolutely.
Yay. Can
Okay.
you play on it with me?
Yep.
Can you lay down on it?
Yeah.
Lay down on it.
Okay, hold on. I'll get these guys right there fishing. All right, Baby Jay. We'll play on the log.
No.
Ruben with another fish on the yak. How many is that for you for today, Ruben? 3. Oh, there he goes. Quick release. That's all right. We don't need to eat them anyways. We got enough.
When you get a big one, I'll put it on the stringer. Dad, look. Take a picture.
Good job, guys. Get it! Get it! Hi, Baby Jay.
Hi.
You having fun?
Yeah.
How are you? With your brothers?
Yeah.
Well, Javon's not here, but you got all your other brothers here.
Me too. Ruben. And me too. Leo. And Mama. And Ruben and me.
Yep.
Yeah.
All right.
Take a picture.
Get you on video, cutie pie. Bino just got his third one here. He's about ready to release it.
Vito!
Good job, Bino. They're holding it up. I hope the camera picks it up. He's so far away. Good job, Rainbow Trout. Awesome. Woo! Good job. Good job. Jenna Catherine's got another one. She's having difficulty. Are you going to release that one or keep it? Are you going to release it or keep it? Oh yeah, it looks pretty big. I don't know if my camera's picking it up though, because you guys, it looks like you're so far away. Nice language, baby. Nice language. Uh-oh. Man, this place is awesome. Fish every 5 minutes. Got the whole pond to themselves. Oh, whoa, that is a big one. That one might weigh 2 pounds, baby. Whoa, it's like twice the size of the other ones. Good job. Good job. Yeah, it looks like about 18 incher from here. Sweet. Alino coming in, caught 3 on the day. Good job. Baby Jay. Awesome. You have fun out there? Awesome. Yeah, it's fun. Yeah, with those high-vis rod tips. Whenever you and Dimitri would hook up, I could see it from a distance because of that high-vis rod tip. It's awesome. Those guys are still out there, huh? Yeah. You were casting pretty far, though.
Daddy, can you do it?
Yeah.
Cast far like this.
Okay, cast far. Here, you hold the camera.
Did you got one?
Here, reel it in. Hold the camera. Here comes Jenna Catherine coming in. She's got some fish. I know. Let's see what you got, baby.
I see a fish. I see fish, Mom. I see fish.
How are you, baby?
I see fish, Mom.
What?
I see baby
And
fish.
they're not baby fish. We need to go get our swimming trunks on.
I catch a baby fish.
Maybe go back out on the paddleboard and jump off in the water and swim up to lunch.
I catch baby fish.
Okay.
I catch baby fish.
Watch out, guys. I'm rolling on up.
Ah!
Rolling up, rolling up.
Alright, let's see the
Not
fish.
all. They might have a lot of reeds stuck on them after that set. But go ahead and grab them, baby. They're all alive, so I'm gonna let you, I want you to put them out of their misery quick so they don't suffer, okay?
Alright.
That's my main goal. 5 of them!
There we go.
And those are just the ones we catch.
Which one did I?
Lino cut the second one from the bottom. So Lino caught like the biggest one. That second one. Oh no, they're already getting discolored. So
Okay.
yeah, they need to be blended
Okay.
quick. Real quick, baby.
Right.
Yay!
Good job, baby.
That was awesome!
Good job.
Awesome, awesome! Oh no, Deshaun, that is fish gut. Get off of that.
Good job.
Yes! That
Good
should
job.
work. What are you doing?
Good job, guys.
No, there's an ice.
Here's her tent all set up at the campground. Looking all cozy, just like home. Got the big old 10-person or 12-person tent. Got Meats, Baby J, and Jenna Catherine down there. What's up, Jenna Catherine? Meats! What's up? Get a little closer.
I don't have any games on my phone right now.
All set up. Alright. Gonna eat some hot dogs. Alright, Jenna Catherine doing her catch and cook. We got some
First time frying the trout. Came right off the bone. We already picked through it, but yummy, perfect.
There's the
Better way than
remnants of it.
on the fire. It's in that foil.
And then we got some over here, some trout and
I'll
foil.
show you when I'm done.
And then Catherine's got her shish kebabs over here, looking bomb. Some bomb
I need
shish
the boys to try
kebabs.
this.
And
Nobody makes me to try this. 'Cause
looks like we got the boys up here playing some cornhole. Let's see what's going on up here. Whoa. We got the cornhole kids
We have never played that way. Their whole family plays this. No. That's one.
playing the cornhole.
Yeah.
The cornhole kids.
Come on. I don't know what you got in here.
Dimitri. Baby J.
Oh. I'm just gonna sit down because I already won.
Meats. Oh, Ruben.
So what? Now you're down one or what? Cancel it out. Hey, you canceled me out. Oh shit.